Jerry's got herself a lip piercing.
Jerry, let me get that.
It's a link from the toy.
Yeah. Hey! Hey! Let me get it. You gonna let me get it?
Jerry, what'd you do there?
Can you get it?
I will get it. Jerry's one of those cool kids with a lip piercing. Yeah, Jerry, how did you do this? How did you get the chain link on your beak? This is gonna be fun trying to get this off. Jerry. Jerry. You have a lip piercing, it appears. Yes, quite. Let me get it. Let me get it. Okay, well. Enjoy your lip piercing, you cool kid. Okay, these pliers got it off of Jerry's face. Jerry, you're no longer one of the cool kids with a lip piercing. How does it feel? Hi, Charles. How's your night? Everybody's a bird.